Hi, first grade. All right, today for math, we are going to be using the Pattern Shapes app again that we used earlier in the week. So if you remember, you can go into your math folder on your iPad and find the Pattern Shapes app. And this is what it looks like, very much like the Number Frames app that we used earlier on in the school year. But what you're going to be doing today is using a combination of the different pattern shapes to create a picture, a design, some some creation of your own. So I think you'll enjoy it. I certainly hope you do. So just a quick review of our plane shapes and what we've been talking about all this week, um, and how to use this app. So again, all of the shapes are here that you can just pull out and put into your screen. The tools at the bottom, probably most important for today. If the shape has a green highlight around it, you can just delete that particular shape. If you want to clear your entire board, you would click on the arrows here that are in a circle and it will clear your entire board. But what we're going to be doing today is creating a unique picture design using the pattern shapes. And just a quick review of the shapes. We have two triangles right here. And again, triangles are defined by having three sides and three corners. They can be different colors, different, different sizes in different positions, but they have three sides and three corners. And you can see here's two different triangles, but these are both triangles. Our square that has four sides and four corners. These are called rhombuses, and sometimes people will call them a diamond. And the story that we read earlier this week talked about a diamond, but the math term is rhombus. So we have a rhombus, and here is our trapezoid and our hexagon with our six sides and six corners. So you'll be using a combination of these shapes, like I said, to create a picture. But before you actually create your own picture, we'd like you to spend some time exploring, and let me show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to clear my board. And if you come down here and click on this where you see the person, looks like a person in a boat, and you tap on it, you'll see all of these outlines, and there's different pictures, there's more of just designs, shapes. But if you tap on one, any one that you'd like, it will put it into your workspace. And you can use the pattern blocks to fill in using the outline. So we'd like you to just play around with that a little bit, try some of the outlines, create a picture, just explore um, before creating your own picture. And then something else that you can do, which might come in handy today when you're creating your own picture, if you look down here, uh, these ink, like looks like little ink drops. If you click on one of them, it will change the color of the shape that is highlighted in green. So you might want to change the colors for the purposes of your picture. So I'm going to clear my board. So after you spend a little time exploring and trying some of those already made outlines, we'd like you to create your own picture of something, a house, a dog, anything, a design, be creative, use lots of different blocks and different combinations to create an original picture. And then I'm going to show you what you'll do with that. All right, so once you create your original picture using the pattern blocks, we'd like you to take a screenshot of it, and then you'll go back into Seesaw, and on your Seesaw activity for today, you'll hit Add Response, and then this page will come up that you're looking at right now. And you can put your screenshot right in here and fit it the best that you can, but put the screenshot of your original drawing creation with the blocks in the box here. And then the next two things you're going to do are you will go through and look at your picture and count the number of each of these pattern blocks that you used in your own picture. Now, it might be that you used, 0 hexagons, and that's fine. You can write 0. You'll just write whatever the number is for each of the blocks that you used and the number that you used in your picture. And then finally, to finish the activity and finish your math work for today, we'd like you to record yourself telling us what your picture is and how many of each shape you used. So it might sound something like this. I made a dog today and I used 4 triangles, 0 rhombuses, 2 trapezoids, 6 squares, 1 hexagon, and 0 rhombus. So something along those lines where you'll tell us your picture and then explain and then tell us how many of each shape you use. All right, so that will be math for today. I hope you have fun exploring and playing around and feeling creative with your math picture. All right, thank you.